Do not try this at home. Oh yeah. So I finally picked up a spare tank for our other air compressor for our CNC plasma table over there, since I'm off grid and got to power it with that generator. So I'm trying to get this thing unloaded. Try to get some of these out because we're gonna have to get plugs for them. A little bit oily, but pretty clean. See if this whole thing will fire up. lag bolt it or anything, or really anchor it. We're just gonna put some screws in here. Same thing over here. So I'm literally holding the tripod with my leg because it's too high. While trying to balance as well. Pretty sturdy. Alright, so that's why you don't do shit yourself, but I don't have a choice. Anyway, so this year I got this tank. This will be an auxiliary tank, so I'll have 120 gallons available at all times. So my generator will not run the plasma cutter and air compressor. It trips out and then it throws my lines off and I got to restart, and then sometimes I got to make a whole nother part. So by having twice the volume, I'm hoping I can cut more pieces and then run over, turn it on, let it fill up, and then cut my pieces. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but that's the plan. Got that tank pretty cheap. I just gotta figure out how to do that yet. There's a couple plugs in there. So right now I run out of here to a water separator. It's pretty short, but I don't get a lot of water in the line. This is a single stage compressor. It's a 3-piston. Want to hook into the tank and then probably hook from the top of that, or maybe I'll go to the bottom. I don't know yet. I got to research the water, and I can just hook my line back up because I got this hose. So I thought maybe I can take this line off this compressor, just stick it up there on one of them, and then the other port down here, I just got to put it on the other side. So that's the plan anyway. So we'll get back to her here pretty soon, but the other thing was I was gonna box that in too across, kind of like I did this one, and then eventually I'll put up some OSB or something. But anyway, that's all we got, so we'll catch you on the next one.